Hey, Power Molecules community! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the science of nature's most fascinating compounds. Today, we're exploring spermidine, a lesser-known but incredibly intriguing molecule that's found in your body and foods like wheat germ and mushrooms, and it's making waves in the world of cellular health and longevity. Is spermidine just a biological bystander, or does it have real potential to support your wellness? Stick around as we unpack the science, history, and practical tips behind this cellular superstar. Before we get started, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Dietary supplements, including those containing spermidine, are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying any supplement. So what exactly is spermidine? Spermidine is a polyamine, a small organic molecule essential for cell growth, function, and survival. It's found in every living cell, humans, plants, animals, even bacteria, and your body produces it naturally, though levels decline with age. Spermidine gets its quirky name from its discovery in the 1670s in, well, sperm, but don't worry. It's abundant in foods like wheat germ, soybeans, aged cheese, and mushrooms. Chemically, spermidine is a multitasking molecule, playing a key role in processes like DNA stabilization, protein synthesis, and a fascinating cellular cleanup mechanism called autophagy. It's like a molecular janitor, and scientists are buzzing about its potential. Let's start with spermidine's most exciting claim to fame, its potential to support cellular health through autophagy. Autophagy is your body's way of recycling damaged or dysfunctional cell parts, like clearing out junk to keep cells running smoothly. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular health, especially as you age. Studies suggest that spermidine may support autophagy by activating pathways that trigger this cleanup. For example, a 2018 study in Nature Medicine found that spermidine enhanced autophagy in animal models, promoting cellular resilience. This doesn't mean spermidine reverses aging, it's just a promising area of research. You can find that study linked in the description below for a deeper dive. But spermidine's story doesn't stop there. Another key area of interest is its potential to support cardiovascular health. Your heart and blood vessels rely on healthy cells to function properly, and autophagy helps keep them in top shape. Some studies, like a 2016 study in Nature Communications, suggest that spermidine may help maintain healthy blood vessel function and support cardiovascular health in animal models, possibly by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. These findings are early, and human studies are limited, but they highlight spermidine's potential as a supportive compound. Let's talk about spermidine as an antioxidant supporter. Oxidative stress, caused by free radicals from pollution, stress, or metabolism, can damage cells over time. While spermidine itself isn't a direct antioxidant, it supports your body's antioxidant defenses by promoting autophagy and reducing cellular stress. A 2019 study in Free Radical Biology and Medicine noted that spermidine protected cells from oxidative damage in lab models, likely by enhancing cellular cleanup and resilience. This makes spermidine a unique player in the fight against cellular wear and tear. Let's put this in perspective. Imagine your cells as busy kitchens, with spermidine as a diligent cleaner who sweeps up spills, recycles scraps, and keeps the appliances humming. It's not cooking the meal, it's ensuring the kitchen stays functional. Pretty cool, right? Now, here's another intriguing area: spermidine's potential to support brain health. Your brain is especially vulnerable to aging, as oxidative stress and protein buildup can affect cognitive function. Autophagy helps clear out these harmful aggregates, and spermidine's role in this process is being studied. A 2020 study in Molecular Psychiatry found that spermidine improved cognitive performance in animal models, possibly by supporting neuronal health through autophagy. Human studies are still in their infancy, so don't expect spermidine to be a brain booster just yet. It's an exciting field that's still growing. So, how does spermidine work in your body? Spermidine is absorbed in the gut and distributed to cells, where it interacts with pathways like autophagy and protein synthesis. Your body makes spermidine from amino acids, but production drops with age. By your 60s, levels can be significantly lower. Dietary spermidine comes from foods, and your gut microbiome also produces small amounts. Its effects are cumulative, meaning consistent intake may be key. Unlike some compounds, spermidine's bioavailability is decent, but it's still a challenge to get high doses from food alone. Let's talk about getting spermidine from food. Wheat germ is a top source with about 24 milligrams per 100 grams. Other good options include soybeans, 13 milligrams per 100 grams, aged cheeses like cheddar, 20 milligrams per 100 grams, and mushrooms like shiitake, 9 milligrams per 100 grams. Studies often use doses of 1 to 6 milligrams of spermidine per day, which would require eating a lot of wheat germ. Think a cup or more daily. To boost spermidine, try adding wheat germ to smoothies, sprinkling cheese on salads, or cooking with mushrooms. Fermented foods like natto or kimchi may also increase spermidine thanks to microbial activity. Now let's address supplements. Spermidine supplements are gaining popularity, often derived from wheat germ or synthetic sources. They typically provide 1 to 3 milligrams per dose, matching studied amounts. Because spermidine is sensitive to heat and processing, look for high-quality products with clear labeling and third-party testing. Some supplements combine spermidine with other longevity compounds like NAD+ precursors. If you're considering a supplement, check with your doctor, as research on long-term use is still emerging. Let's talk safety. According to the National Institutes of Health, spermidine from food is generally safe, and supplements appear well tolerated at doses up to 6 milligrams per day. Side effects are rare but might include mild digestive upset at higher doses. Spermidine's interactions with medications are not well studied, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting a supplement, especially if you're on medication or have health conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid supplements due to limited safety data. Let's step back and explore spermidine's roots. Polyamines like spermidine are ancient molecules, present in the earliest forms of life. In human history, spermidine-rich foods like fermented soybeans and aged cheese have been dietary staples in cultures from Japan to Europe. Spermidine was identified in the 17th century, but its role in autophagy wasn't uncovered until the 2000s, sparking a surge of research. This blend of ancient dietary wisdom and modern science makes spermidine a fascinating bridge between past and present. When you eat a spermidine-rich meal or take a supplement, you're tapping into a molecular legacy that's billions of years old. That's pretty awe-inspiring, don't you think? So why is spermidine so popular today? Its link to autophagy and longevity has made it a darling of the wellness and anti-aging communities. You'll find spermidine in longevity supplements, functional foods, and even skincare, thanks to its cellular protective properties. The rise of interest in healthy aging has fueled this trend, but we need to cut through the hype. Spermidine isn't a fountain of youth. Its effects depend on your diet, lifestyle, and individual needs. Let's bring this to life with an example. Imagine you're someone in your 50s, focused on staying active and supporting your long-term health. You've heard about spermidine and wonder if it could help. Based on research, eating spermidine-rich foods like wheat germ or mushrooms might support your cellular health by promoting autophagy. If you're considering supplements for a consistent dose, you'd want to choose a high-quality product and check with your doctor to ensure it's safe. It's all about balance. Spermidine is a tool, not a cure. So how do you choose a spermidine supplement if you're interested? First, look for products with standardized spermidine content, ideally from natural sources like wheat germ. Second, choose brands with transparent sourcing and third-party testing. Certifications are a good sign. And third, stick to studied doses, typically 1 to 3 milligrams per day, but your doctor can guide you. In the description below, we've linked a few carefully selected spermidine supplements with effective formulations, so you can explore quality options. One final note, spermidine research is still evolving. Many studies are done in labs, on animals, or with small human groups, so we need larger, long-term trials to fully understand its benefits. This doesn't mean spermidine isn't worth exploring. It just means we should approach it with curiosity and caution. Science is a process, and spermidine is one of its most promising chapters. To wrap it up, spermidine is a remarkable molecule with a deep history and exciting research. Studies suggest it may support cellular health, cardiovascular function, brain health, and antioxidant defenses through autophagy, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Its presence in everyday foods makes it accessible, and supplements can help boost intake. If you're curious about adding spermidine to your routine, talk to your doctor to see if it's right for you. And check out the description below for curated supplement options and links to studies from the National Institutes of Health and other trusted sources. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into spermidine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Do you eat spermidine-rich foods like wheat germ, or is there another molecule you want us to explore next? Maybe NAD+, fisetin, or something totally new? Stay curious, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next video.